Hey guys, welcome back to the Toolbox. And today I want to share with you a simple lyric exercise that should only take you 5 minutes. You're going to write some good lyrics doing this, I promise you. So let's get cracking with this. The first thing we're going to need is ideas. Now, you might have seen my video about like collecting song ideas. It's something you should try and do every single day. Just collect a couple of things, common phrases and things. That's what I'm going to start with in this first example. Now, the first one that I've got wrote down here is a bitter pill to swallow. It's a cool phrase. I can imagine that being used in a song. The line, a bitter pill to swallow, is like the payoff, but I need there to be something to lead me to that payoff. The whole point of this exercise is to sit down for a couple of minutes and trying to find a setup line for that. So the first thing I'm going to think of here is what can I use as a rhyme for the word swallow? Now, I could use things like follow, things like that, but I don't want it to be too obvious. So I was thinking maybe tomorrow. It's not a perfect rhyme at all, but it kind of works. I don't want to think about tomorrow because when you're gone, tonight will be a bitter pill to swallow. I think there's something in that. 1 second, let me write this down. That's the exercise. You do that every day and just come up with one thing like that. You will fill a book or, your notepad in your phone, whatever, and you'll have loads of things to work with. You do this, you get a lyric idea. If you have time, I would recommend grabbing an instrument and just seeing if you can set that to music, just for fun, really, because the more you get practice at coming up with lines, putting those lines to music, the more practice you are getting at writing songs. So I'm just going to see if I can take that line and just put it some chords. I've only set up one camera, so the chords I'm just going to do the 50s thing that I did in the video the other day, C major, A minor, F to G. Check out the Patreon page for chord charts for everything, and any exercise I've given, I'll usually do a little write-up or something and put it on Patreon. Just check the link in the description box. So let's see what I can come up with for this.
Don't wanna think about tomorrow, 'cause when you're gone, tonight will be a bitter pill to swallow. Tonight will be a bitter pill for me to swallow.
I don't expect what I come up with lyrically or musically now to be necessarily good. And I don't really care because I enjoy doing this. Like I said, if you stockpile these things every single day, you will find yourself just coming up with so much stuff that you can draw upon when you do sit down with an instrument and come up with something. So let's try another idea and see if I can get something else as well. Again, just looking through my collection of ideas, I've got a phrase here that I wrote down. I don't know when I wrote it down, but benefit of the doubt. That's a cool phrase. I like giving you the benefit of the doubt. That's a great place to start. So I'm looking for a rhyme with doubt, I suppose. So I could let's just go obvious. Let's just keep this really simple. So about. So let's put this down. Let's grab a pen and paper. Now, I know there's things I don't want to know about, but I'm tired of giving you the benefit of that. I'm tired of giving you the benefit of the doubt. Okay, so I'm tired of giving you the benefit of the doubt. Setup line. There's things I don't want to know about. So there's things I don't want to know about. I'm tired of giving you the benefit of the doubt. Okay, let me just write this down. So again, I'm going to pick up the guitar. I'm just going to see if I can, just do something with that. Okay, so C, G/B, A minor to F. I'm just going to use that and I'm going to see if I can come up with something.
I know there's things you don't want me to know about, but I'm tired of giving you the benefit of the doubt.
Because I've come up with like a setup line for these phrases or ideas that I've had, it becomes a more complete lyric idea. And then, like I say, just for the sake of it, I've picked up a guitar and I've tried to come up with something musical to go with it. I would personally say that is a half an hour well spent. If you can do even just the writing portion of this exercise, just coming up with like an idea, come up with a setup line for that idea or phrase, and just fill up a book with them, you will find you have so many things that you've added to your toolbox that you can draw upon when it comes time to sit down and have fun and write a song. My goal here is to give you some things to add to your songwriting toolbox, hopefully to save you some time, so when you do find you have that window of opportunity to sit down and write something, come up with something, then you've got stuff you can work with. Check out the Patreon page where all the resources for every one of these like toolbox episodes are. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.